Yo, what's happening guys? Welcome back to Tokimotive. Alright, so I'm still a cripple. Hands are still recovering, but they're recovering well. It's just going to be a little bit longer before I can really do much. So I took the time while I'm not messing around with the cars and all busy to give Kat a little freshen up on driving manuals, and kind of threw her in the deep end with the aggressive clutch and the short shifter and the sticky throttle and all the joys of a drift car. So it's been like something like 5 years since Kat's driven a manual, so she's not exactly going to jump in head first at the track and start trying to drift the thing, but she wants to try and learn to drift and see if it's something she enjoys doing more than just being passenger. So I figured in the yard's probably the best place to start, and then we'll throw her on a wet pan, and once she's got a good grasp of it again, and yeah, I don't know, hell, she might be really good at it. And then, I don't know, partner tandems. Be pretty cool. So that's what's coming up in this video. It's somewhat of a blooper reel and just us taking the piss out of each other and the pets doing weird stuff, but it was fun. I had a lot of fun editing it, so something a bit different. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you at the end. Keep going. Where is it? Get it! Fuck, where'd she go? Where is it? Where is it? So you're not even a bit excited?
Just driving a car.
You should be excited! It's not just any car.
It's a car.
It's fun car.
Yeah, I was driving around the paddock. Do you need the seatbelt?
Would have liked it, but anyway.
Not that bad.
I just can't hold on very well. I'm a cripple.
We're not going fast.
You could. We'll find out. Okay, you want a bit more than that. Bit of accelerator. I got my safety foot. Okay, you got this. Bit of revs. Clutch out gentle. There we go. You're away.
Hi, Benny.
Oh, watch out, Benny. Woo. Oh gosh, this is rough.
Let's go this way.
Yep. Oh, how do you film in this thing?
Practice.
You don't need to reverse far to make a turn with this.
But it goes so fast when you want to take your foot off.
What fucking gear you in?
Reverse.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I felt like 4. Ease out till you feel it start to bite. Yep. Bit of revs and let go. There you go. Gosh, I was worried about the tree. Clutch in before you stop.
Alright, straight ahead.
Zoom zoom. Maybe. Up. Come here.
Are you scared? Hello. I was feeling for the bite.
Yeah, I'd be stressed too. Ooh, wow, fucking away we go. Jesus. Stay in, pretty dog.
Hi, Benny. Bye, Benny.
Hello. What you gonna do?
Just start again.
Okay. Hey! Look at us go. Oh, fuck. I just got hit by the dog. It's just gonna be a big blooper reel. What'd you do? Why'd you bring a stick in here? Do you want your stick?
Hop in the back with it.
I don't want your stick. Ah. Get your stick. Get your stick. Get.
It's for you.
I don't want it.
She's like, I just gave it to you twice now. Alright. Yeah, I just didn't enjoy it. Hello. No, by the way.
You are gonna get yeeted off that console, dog. Alright, you can do it.
First.
Yeah. Hang it.
Too much.
That's okay. It's okay. Skirt. Go on, Bush. Oh gosh. There's a stump.
I know. I'm making a good turn.
Okay.
And then we're gonna start again.
Alright.
Why are you staring at me like that, dog?
That is stress face. That is the face of
What
stress.
are you in the car for?
Because you're dumb. I'll pitch it sideways at the peak of 4th gear. But this is what concerns me.
Sorry.
You're a little overconfident there.
No, my
Bit
foot
ahead of
wasn't-
yourself.
My foot wasn't down enough.
You can hear it.
You know what?
The foot.
Does it talk?
No. No, it doesn't talk. Jesus, alright, fucking RB30 torque working a magic. Fucking saving that one.
I think that's the only ones I've done alright so far. It pauses. It's like, oh no, we got this. We gotta get
Go,
this.
go. Put down. Brr. That's it.
There's more oil there than there was when we started.
Probably. I think that's where all the ball bearings came from as well.
I get a cramp in my leg.
Yeah, that's way more play than that should have.
There we go.
Good. Yeah, a little bit more revs next time. Don't be afraid to rev the thing.
I don't know your accelerator. I don't know if I'm just gonna like spin.
That's fine.
I don't want to spin.
No, you want to spin is drift. Drift is fun. But you're gonna drift.
Not yet. Not on my grass.
I'm not. Alright, we'll get around to the gravel. Do a revy dumpy. A revy dumpy. Oh. Okay, you got the dumpy right, but not the revy. You can do it. Brr. Hey, that's better.
You didn't go that fast.
Hey,
I thought the accelerator would go faster at that much.
you do it behind the shed. On the rocks.
I don't want to do a skid.
You should do a skid. Yeah, you should definitely do a skid. Go right.
What do you want me to
Do
do?
a skirt.
I think we went airborne more than skid.
She's rough as fuck. What? What's funny?
I don't know.
Purse pears.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, it was. Come past the other 31 and foot down. Brr. Hey, you got a bit sideways.
Isn't that the plan? We're not doing very well.
Hey, you're doing alright.
Getting better.
Hey?
Getting better.
Yeah.
Do I need this hard of a clutch?
Not necessarily, but it's not bad to get used to. What are you doing?
Sit. Go, stay there.
Burr, burr, burr. You just gotta keep into it.
I want to hit the trailer.
You're way over there.
I don't think I sideways too much.
You got this. Yeah. Hey, hey. The fuck? Hey! guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. It's, as I said, something a bit different, but I couldn't help myself but have a little bit of a flick around at the end. It's been just too long since I've driven. So lucky we've got good neighbours and they don't seem to care. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you haven't already, think about hitting that subscribe button. Tell your friends about the channel. All that sort of good stuff. As always, appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you on the next one.